Today I am going to show you how to add a Twitter bird in your blog or your website. First, you have to go to your, if you have a Twitter account, then open that. If you don't, just create. Go to twitter.com. Enter your username. As you can see, I have opened my Twitter account. Just click profile. Now you need this, your username, that is computer dot. Now you need this code is available in my description box or in my blog. Just put the name, username here. Okay, now go to your blog. Go to the blogger.com. Open your blog. Now you have to click on templates. You can paste these into methods. First is in by layout method. Just click add a gadget. And click on HTML or JavaScript. Click plus. Before doing, you must give the title. Twitter. Now paste the, just have you copy all this, copy and paste it and press save. Minimize this, click save the arrange and click preview. As you can see, the bird's Twitter bird. As you can see, the @computer dot follow. And click follow if you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more helps. Thank you for watching.